got the two of us. Nobody knows us. In the car like.
What's up, baby girls and boys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is felipecharming. Bienvenido a mi canal de YouTube. I took a poll on my Instagram asking if you guys wanted to see more glam looks on my channel, and you guys said yes. I went ahead and came up with this. I was feeling like a blue monochromatic vibe. My under eye, or a little bit, I may have had like a little bit of fallout. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it does look a little blue under my eye. Oh, I forgot to say Happy New Year in my first Spanish voiceover. I hope you guys really did enjoy that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to turn your post notifications on so that you can be notified of every single upload. If you guys want to see how I did this, keep watching this video and make sure you stay to the end so you can get into them slow-mos. So for this eyeshadow look, I did use the James Charles and Morphe palette. I did take the Morphe eyeshadow primer as suggested for the best color payoff using this shadow, which you will see throughout the duration of this video, and I just kind of packed that in using my fingers. And once I'm done packing that in, I took the palette and I used the shade Code James, and I just packed that into my crease, and then I blended it out, and I kept repeating this step until I got the color payoff that I wanted. Just wanted to have a smooth transition for the blue. After I was done blending that in, I took the shade 10% off just to kind of enhance that orangey shade and make it more brown. Just to give it like a smooth transition, because I wanted this look to be monochrome, but I still wanted it to have some warmth and dimension to it. So once I was done with that, I took the shade Playground and took that like right underneath my crease, but not directly on my lid. And I was shook by the pigment. I'm not even gonna lie. Very shook by the pigment, and I did take a clean brush to kind of blend that out, and I kept repeating that step until I got the, you know, the color that I wanted. With eyeshadow, I really like to take my time and kind of just go in and slowly build as opposed to trying to put a bunch of color on and blending it out. Here is when I started to take the shade Cola. But yeah, I took the shade Cola and I just started packing it all over my entire lid, and I just kept building that up. I really kept building that up, and I kept blending it out with a clean brush. I used the same clean brush to blend out my eyeshadow, and I just kept doing that until I got it to, you know, blend out how I wanted to. Then I took my Makeup Revolution concealer under my eyes, down my nose, and that's the only places, those are the only places that I put my concealer before blending it out, all over my high points of my face. Take my black opal holy grail to contour my face, add a little bronze and warmth to the skin, bring me back to life. I usually do that before concealer, but I definitely forgot. I just set my concealer with my Coty Airspun powder. Phase. I just be eyeballing myself. Yeah, and then I take literally all the same colors underneath my eyes, starting off with Code James, and I went into 10% off, and then I went into Playground, and my palette was in the way a little bit for some of these parts. But yeah, I took Playground and then I took Cola the same way I did over top of my eye, and I did take some more setting powder because I didn't really want to have, like, you know, any blue fallout on my face after the fact. But yeah. These faces be killing me. And I kept going back to kind of blend it out, touch it up, and I kept packing on more blue just to kind of emphasize that. Took the shade Acapella, tried to like use that shimmer to make my eye pop, but it wasn't really like showing up at all. So I took the shade Cleopatra out of the Nubian 2 palette. That still wasn't showing up with the brush, so then I took my finger and I just packed it on using my finger, which just worked 1,000 times better. And then I proceeded to take the Ruby Kisses contour kit that I'm always using and just contour my nose using that, using the one of the lighter brown shades. And then I set my entire face with the Sephora Collection Micro Smooth Powder. And then I took the shade Tan Lines out of this Bad Habit Beauty Oasis palette. Love, 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 love this highlighter. This is like the only highlighter I've been wearing as of lately. And then I just kept going back and touching up. And I highlighted my brow bone a little bit, as you can see. And then after that, I just highlight the high points of my face and I'm pretty much done. I didn't really put anything on my lips, but that's pretty much it. And I just put on a little blush and that's it. And then I set my face. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let's get into some slow-mos. Love you guys for watching. Peace.